I'm doing my week 4 exercise 1 part 1 preparation for the incubation of microbes in the MRVP broth. So I had already taken out my MRVP broth and I had labeled it E. coli and S. epidermidis. I'm gonna go light this up. Okay. So, okay. First, I'm gonna open up my active E. coli microbe. And to disinfect the tip. Take one of my pipettes. Take a little bit of the active broth. I'm going to take a little bit of the active broth. And put it into the MRVP broth. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to go ahead and disinfect the tip and close it. Same with my active broth. My active E. coli. I also have my S. epidermidis active broth that I'm gonna disinfect through the fire. I have my MRVP broth. Now I take my active S. epidermidis. This back and put it into my MRVP broth that I had labeled as epidermidis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before I close this, I'm going to disinfect it. And same with my active broth. Now I will set this aside for 48 hours for it to grow. Thank you. Hi, my name is Marie Lingao, and today I am doing my week 4 exercise 1 part 2 methyl red test. I have here my my test tubes. I had poured my MRVP broth E. coli after 48 hours of incubation. I put it in the test tubes. Same thing with the S. epidermidis. After the incubation period, I put it in my 2 test tubes. Now, and there are some cloudiness in the broth. Now I have my methyl red dye. Open this, and I'm supposed to take one of the test tubes and pour 7 drops into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And right away I can see some red color that I will be recording on my assignment. And I will save the other test tube for my second test. I will do the same thing for the S. epidermidis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And I can also see some color change. And that concludes for my part 2. Now doing week 4, part 3, Voges Proskauer tests. I have my test tubes from earlier. I have now my Barrett's A reagents. And I'm gonna open this. And I'm gonna put 12 drops on each tube. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. We have enough. And this one, 12 drops. These are the E. coli tubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same thing now with the S. epidermidis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 12 drops of the Barrett's reagent A into each tube. Now I have, and I already see some color changes. Now I have my Barrett's B that I'm gonna open. And I'm gonna put Barrett's B reagent 4 drops into each tube. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's some color changes. That's cool. 4 drops into here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops into this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on the S. epidermidis. And 4 drops here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So lastly, I'm supposed to shake all of them. And I'm gonna record this. I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and record the results in my assignment. And that concludes my part 3.